Every new molecule begins with a vision, a spark of innovation that could change lives. But transforming that vision into reality often means partnering with the right custom synthesis CRO. In today's world, where time, quality and compliance drive every decision, choosing the right partner isn't just a formality, it's a strategic move. This session will guide you through how to select a CRO that not only delivers results, but also ensures quality, compliance and scientific integrity at every step. Custom synthesis isn't just about making a compound. It's about bringing your scientific idea to life through a reproducible, scalable, and compliant process. When you hand your molecule to a CRO, you're entrusting more than chemistry. You're handing over your intellectual property, your timelines, and your reputation. A small lapse in quality or documentation can cascade into regulatory challenges, missed deadlines, or even loss of credibility. So remember, when a CRO takes on your project, they're not only handling reactions, they're handling your future. Your first checkpoint in CRO selection is technical capability. A reliable CRO must demonstrate deep synthetic chemistry expertise, from complex multi-step reactions and chiral resolution to purification and analytical testing. Look for in-house analytical tools like HPLC, NMR, LCMS, and GCMS, and ask whether they can scale from milligram to multigram quantities. The best CROs don't just quote a price. They engage in early discussions about possible synthetic routes, risks, and alternatives. That's a clear sign of scientific ownership, and it tells you your project will be in capable hands. Next, let's talk about quality and compliance, the true backbone of any reliable CRO. A trustworthy partner should operate under internationally recognized standards. ISO 9001 for quality management, GLP for laboratory practices, and CGMP for any clinical or regulated work. Don't just accept verbal assurances. Ask for audit reports, SOP summaries, and certifications. Also, dive deeper into how they handle change control and deviations. CROs that proactively manage unexpected results, document them transparently, and correct issues before they escalate are the ones truly committed to compliance. In regulated science, data integrity isn't a formality, it's everything. Every synthesis record, every chromatogram, every batch report must be traceable, time-stamped, and secure. Top-tier CROs follow the ALCOA Plus principles. Data should be attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, and accurate, plus complete, consistent, enduring, and available. If a CRO maintains robust electronic lab notebooks and audit trails, they're not just protecting their work, they're protecting your project and its regulatory future. Chemistry is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. That's why clear communication is a hallmark of a great CRO. You should expect regular project updates, transparent records of exceptions, and prompt discussions whenever issues arise. Excellent CROs don't wait for instructions. They proactively propose alternatives and work side by side with clients to resolve challenges. Weekly technical review meetings can help keep everyone aligned, enabling a true partnership built on trust and responsiveness. Your molecule is your intellectual property, your crown jewel. Before sharing any structure or data, ensure there's a solid Confidential Disclosure Agreement, CDA, or Master Service Agreement, MSA, in place. Clarify ownership rights early. You should retain all data, reports, and synthesis routes developed during the project. A transparent CRO will explain their IP policies clearly and respect the boundaries of confidentiality. After all, protecting your IP isn't just about paperwork, it's about mutual trust. If you want to see a CRO's true quality culture, visit their lab. During an on-site or virtual audit, observe how chemicals are labelled, stored and segregated. Check maintenance logs, calibration records, and cleanliness standards. Look for consistent documentation practices and proper waste management. These small details often reveal the organisation's discipline and commitment to quality. Remember, a facility that takes care of its environment will also take care of your molecule. It's tempting to go with the lowest quote, but in custom synthesis, the cheapest option can quickly become the most expensive. Low-cost bids often hide rework, poor documentation, or missed timelines. Instead of asking, "How cheap can you make it?" ask, "How reliable is your process? And what's your record for first-time success?" A CRO with a proven track record, consistent quality, and transparent documentation delivers far greater long-term value than one that simply undercuts on price. Finally, let's bring it all together. Regulatory readiness and partnership mindset. If your compound is heading for preclinical or clinical stages, your CRO should be well versed in DMF preparation, ICH-Q7 compliance, and REACH or EPA registrations. These ensure your data today can support tomorrow's submissions. But beyond regulations, success lies in partnership. Choose a CRO that shares your goals, values, transparency, and treats your molecule like their own. Because in the end, quality chemistry isn't just about reactions. It's about relationships built on trust, science, and integrity.